Are you able to see the board actually? Are you able to see what I'm sharing?
Yes, sir.
Then we start at the center of curvature. Center of curvature means first we have to find the centers actually. So they will ask find the center of curvature and circle of curvature is different. We go slowly. First we can center of curvature. What is the center of curvature means? X bar is equal to x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square all divided by y2. You know what is y1? You know, no? What is y1?
So when we differentiate
By
y,
dy by dx. Similarly, y bar is equal to y plus 1 plus y1 square divided by y. Just copy it out.
uh, 1 plus y1 square upon y2 in the second equation.
Yeah, y plus 1 plus y1 square divided by y2.
Okay, sir.
Not 1 plus, y plus, sorry.
Yes, sir. So y plus 1 plus
Y
y1
plus
square
1
upon
plus
y2.
y1 square by y2.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we do one problem now. Yeah, E1. Yes. Minus 3. 0 comma minus. Correct? See, the given y, you have to find curvature. So what is the formula curvature? Tell me now. Only given x bar is equal to x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square by y2. Then y bar is equal to y plus 1 plus y1 square by y2. Now we can find y1. Who is the y1? From where we get? From this equation we get. Who is y? Y is equal to 3x cube plus 2x square minus 3. Now y1 is going to tell me what is y1? What is y1?
9x square
9.
x square
Then
plus 4x.
4x.
Yes, sir. That's it.
Then
So that's it.
it won't
Yes,
come
sir.
here. Right? Now
Yes, sir.
you can write y1 at 0 comma minus 3. So means what? The whole value vanish. X is equal to 0 means what? Y1 is equal to 0 at
0. Yes,
0
sir.
comma minus 3. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Then y2, who is y2? What is the value y2?
0.
Y2, no, y2 value,
4.
what is the differentiate?
18x, sir.
8,
Yes, sir. 18x.
very good. 18x plus
4.
very good.
That's 4. Yes,
Now,
sir.
y2 at 0 comma minus 3 is what?
The x will be 0. So y2 will be
Y2 equal to 4,
4
sir.
only.
4, sir. 4.
Correct? Now, from this, what you understand? y1 at 0 comma minus 3 is equal to 0. y2 is equal to 4. Correct? Now, keeping this, now I write formula. Come on. Now, what is my x bar? Tell me. What is x bar?
X minus
minus-
y
Minus
1 plus
1
y.
into 1 plus y1 square by y2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, who is x actually here? From where you will get x actually? Point. In this point, x value is what?
0.
So x is equal to 0. Correct? So I need numerical values means what? Don't let x as this. X is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 3. Come on. Now you can write the formula. Now what will you tell me? X bar is equal to x minus 0 minus y1 itself 0. So whole thing vanish. Whatever may be value, 0 into anything is equal to 0. So x bar is equal to what? 0. Am I correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then y bar formula is what? Tell me. Who is my
Y
bar?
plus
Y plus. Who is y actually?
minus 3.
Very good. Minus 3. Then 1 plus y1 square. Y1 square anyway 0. I got 0. So 1 plus means 1 by y2. Who is y2?
4.
0. Y2 is what?
Sir, 4.
4. So can I write 1 by 4? Now simplify. This value is what? Over here.
Minus 11 by 4.
Minus 7.
11 by 4.
Minus 11 by 4. Now center is what? X bar, comma, y bar is equal to what? 0, comma, minus 11 by 4. Up it down first. Copy it.
Yes, sir.
Very important question, sir. Some questions they may ask. If they ask center of the curvature means you can do. Then circle of the curvature. So what is the meaning of the circle of curvature means what? The center is there should be center. The radius of the curvature equal to the radius means it is called center of the curvature. So this is good problem. Guarantee one question will be good. That is what we previously center of curvature means you are finding centers x bar y bar. Then circle of curvature means what? If they ask circle of curvature means what you will do? Circle of curvature. Circle of curvature, what you will get is x minus x bar whole square plus y minus y bar whole square is equal to rho square. The radius of curvature is equal to rho, radius. Radius of curvature is equal to radius and x bar y bar is equal to center means what? This you can tell. Now this if they ask a circle of curvature means you should prove that LH is equal to RHS like this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now already radius of curvature be done. How we have done three formulas. Y is equal to f of x means 1 plus y1 square whole for 3 by 2 y2 then x dot square plus y dot square by x dot y dot x double dot we have done or not?
Yes, sir.
So using that you can do. Now if they ask centers means you can find x bar y bar. Find the circle of curvature means what? This you have to prove that x minus x bar whole square is equal to y minus y bar whole square. So x bar y bar becomes centers. The radius of curvature becomes radius. Note down. This is guarantee one question, compulsory question. I think cycle test 2 portions are completed. Second unit and third unit. You have 20 into 1 marks, 20 marks. Then 5 into 4. 6 questions they will do. 5 questions you have to. 5 into 4, 20 marks. 20 plus 20, 40. Another 10 marks they will do 2 questions. Any one question you can attempt. 1 into 10, 10 marks. 50 marks, 2 hours.
Sir, in cycle test 3?
What?
Sir, in what cycle test are you talking about? Or end semester?
I'm not hearing what?
Sir, the pattern you told, it is for which cycle test?
Cycle test 2. Which cycle test you are writing? Cycle
Okay,
test
sir.
2.
Okay, sir. No, sir, you were teaching unit 4, so I thought maybe another one.
No. Cycle test 2 portion is second unit and third unit.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I handle second unit. Sir handle third unit. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Fourth
sir.
unit. Cycle
Yes,
test
sir.
3 maybe they will have 5 units or 4 5. Still they are not decided. Correct?
Okay, sir.
Cycle test 3 also will come within 1 month. We have to complete the process. If not sufficient, I will take evenings. I will tell you 1 or 2 days, 6 to 7 or 7 to 8. Some days I will take from give you time, then you can attend there. Correct?
Okay, sir.
Come on now. Very good problem, sir. Take question you can take. Find the center and very good question. Circle of curvature means what? You have to prove x minus x bar whole square plus y minus y bar whole square to r rho square. Now r is equal to rho. Circle of curvature of the curve after root x plus root y, root x plus root y is equal to root a at a by 4. Very good problem, sir. Find the center and circle of curvature of the curve. Root x plus root y is equal to root a at a by 4, a by 4. Copy.
Yes, sir.
Now slowly you can find that center. You can find what is the center formula? X minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square by y2. Y bar is what? Y plus 1 plus y1 square by y2. Correct? Find out.
Yes, sir.
Then radius of curvature also you can find out. Radius of curvature is what? Anyway, 1 plus y1 square we are finding. Rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 y2. That all values you can prepare 1 by 1 v2. Correct? Correct?
Yes,
Come
sir.
on. Slowly you can start the. Don't wait for me. Sorry. Now, who is my curve actually? What is curve actually? Given curve is root x plus root y is equal to root a. So, root x differentiation is what, sir?
1 by 2.
1 by 2 root x.
1 by 2 root x plus 1
1 by
by
2 root y.
y2 who will come?
y1
Yes, sir. Y1 will come.
Is equal to 0. Then y1 is equal to what?
minus root 5 by root x.
Minus
Root y
by
root
Root
x.
x. Yes, sir.
So y1 at a by 4, x value, y value same. Now need to end at this and this will cancel. So is equal to what? What is the value?
-1.
Very good. Minus. Pop it on fast. Right. Now second derivative how we will do? Denominator square, denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. Come on, fast. y1 you can remember, sir. I will come back again. y2 is equal to minus you can keep outside. Denominator square, root x whole square, denominator into differentiation of numerator 1 by 2 root y into y1 minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. See, don't substitute it actually. Logically, you can think actually root x is also a by 4, y also a by 4. So a by 4 cancel. This will be y1 by 2. This y1 is equal to what? -1. So your value
-1.
-1 by 2. Can you agree on that? Don't substitute it. Just you can think what I am getting mentally.
Yes, sir.
This is also what? A by 4. Obviously, it's cancelled. So balance is what? -1 by 2. From this, what you understand? -1 by 2, -1 by 2. Can you agree?
Yes, sir.
I'm not substituting. If you want substitute for somewhat headache, A by 4, A by 4, A by 4, like this will get confused. Just I'm telling, if you don't want to, you can do. I'm not restricting, just I'm telling. So this numerator is equal to, can you tell what I will get? Huh? Minus 1, minus half, minus half, minus 1. Huh? Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So I just I'm skipping the steps. Divided by denominator will come x is equal to,
A by 4.
so root A by 4 whole square means A by 4. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So total value is equal to what? 4 by A. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what is y1 value?
-1.
Y2 is 4 by A.
4 by A.
Keep in mind, slowly you can find out who is x bar. X minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square whole divided by y2. Whole divided means for this term only divided, not there is no for x and y2. So this is equal to, who is my x here?
A by 4.
A by 4.
A by 4. Slowly substituted a by 4 minus, who is my y1?
-1.
Y2
4 by A.
means 16 by a square. Huh? No, this is y1 square only, not y2. 1 only. Correct? Huh? Divided by,
A 4 by A. Yes, sir.
simplified, a by 4 plus
3A by 4.
2 divided by 4 by a. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
If you make it reciprocal, what you will get actually?
A by 2.
Huh? Acha, acha. A by 2. This is a by 4, a by 2. So what is the
Yes,
value?
sir. 3A by 4.
3A by 4.
A by 4 plus a by 2. Huh? Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the value?
The 3A by 4.
3A by 4.
That is equal to what? Who
X
is
bar.
the-
X bar.
X bar is equal to what, sir?
A by 4.
3a by 4. Keep one side. Okay. Now I am going for y bar. What is my y bar?
5 plus 1 plus y 1 square upon
Yeah,
1.
yeah, that already we prepared some value. Keep in mind. Okay. Y2. So this is y is equal to what? Who is y?
A
A
by
by
4.
4.
A by 4 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 4 by a. Huh? 4 by a or a by 4?
4 by A.
4 by A.
Twice.
I think same thing. I think so. Correct? Huh?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
2 by a. So this is equal to 3a by 4. Can I write it? I'm skipping.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3A by 4.
Same value, I think so. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Also, sir, in the formula you wrote in the denominator y only. So
Acha.
it should be y 4.
Printing mistake. Thank you. Y2. Correct? Huh? Thank you, sir. Now, x bar, y bar is what? Tell me.
3A by 4, comma
3A by 4. 3A by 4.
So, sentence I got actually. This is center of curvature.
Yes, sir.
First part proved. Correct? Huh? Now, circle of curvature, what is the formula? Come on, slowly, can do everything available. Oh, before that, I want to find what? Okay, first you can write. Circle of curvature formula is what? X minus x bar whole square plus y minus y bar whole square Now rho you can find out everything available in my hand. X is available, Y is available. So for command rho is formula inverse. Rho is equal to
3/2 upon y. 2.
but this is also available. Correct? Huh?
A by root 2, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 plus 1 because rho into a by 4 we are doing. That is understanding. Divided by 4 by a1. So this is equal to what?
A by root 2.
A by oh, a by
Root 2.
Root 2, sir.
root 2 what? Root 2 what?
Root 2, sir.
Ah, this is 2 root 2. Then 2 root 2 by into a by 4. So we cancel root 2. Okay, a by root 2. So rho is equal to. Now come on, substituted now. Circle of curvature is what? Just you can give the equation 1, circle of curvature. Then LHS of 1, what you will get, tell me. Who is XCN?
A by 4.
A by 4.
Center 3a by 4. Huh? 3a by 4, 3a by 4, correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So a by 4 minus 3a by 4 whole square plus a by 4 minus 3a by 4 whole square. That is equal to what? Tell me.
A
A,
by
A
4.
square
A
by
square
2.
By 4.
a square
by
By
2.
Acha.
you will get 2a by 4 whole
by
square.
4. A square by 4.
4a square by 16, correct? Huh?
Yes, sir. It is correct,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
4a square by 16 means
A square by 4.
a square by 4. I think we are not getting it. Maybe.
Yes, sir. LHS is equal to RHS.
A square by 4 plus
Plus A square by 4.
A square by 4.
this is equal to what?
A square by 2.
A square by 2.
A square by 2. This is
Equal
LHS.
to rho square.
On RHS. Who is my RHS?
Rho square.
Who is my rho?
A by root.
A by 2. A by root 2.
Whole square. So this is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to.
A square by 2.
From this, what you understand?
RHS is equal to
Okay, LHS with RHS, whatever RHS is equal to.
Yes, sir.
Hence, road circle of curvature. Correct? Not down. Very good. 21 question, sir. Circle of curvature. Simple questions only they will ask. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
So, can you go next topic? So,
Yes, sir.
it is written radius of curvature using radius of the curvature Cartesian coordinates and parametric form. Then you do in using this form text notes I will send you. From there you can see polar coordinates problems 1 or 2. What we have done is important and when we can check. Then center of curvature, then circle of curvature. Okay. If you want, you can do some problems like this. Center of curvature found. Minus 6x square.
Sir, are these homework?
What?
Are these homeworks?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
X square is equal to 4a. Maybe just you can take point as x as x only. Correct? There is point substitute is consumption. I can keep x as x. General form it will give.
Okay, sir.
X is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta means what is the curve of this fellow? Parameter form is given.
Yes, sir.
Who is the actual fellow? What is the ellipse parametric equation? Already I told you x square by a square is y square by b square means x is equal to what? A cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta. This is given parameters. The same problem they may ask me. Find the center of curvature x square by a square plus y square by b square at a cos theta, b sin theta. Both are same.
Okay, sir.
Okay, don't confuse. This is given point, a point available, just you can try. This probably can try actually. First problem. First probably can try. 5 minutes will come back. Right. First problem try, sir.
Yes, sir.
Center only. If you want circular curvature, also you can find lateral you can do. First you can find center. Yeah. Complete tab.
Sir, what's the answer?
Tell me. What is centers?
Minus 36.
Very good.
43 by minus 6.
Minus 43 by 6 you can tell. Okay, yeah. Minus
Yeah.
40.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Good. Only one student only got. What about others?
Yes, I got it.
Got.
Sir, in the third question, what is the value of theta?
Theta, point only theta. In terms of theta, you get theta, whatever may be valid, satisfies parametric equation. X is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta.
Okay, sir.
In terms of theta, only to theta, whatever will give satisfies an ellipse actually. That is the
Okay,
parameter.
sir.
You may get answer is what a square minus b square by a into cos cube theta, b square minus a square by b into sin cube theta. That is the center. So it satisfies all actually theta values of theta, all values of theta. Parameter is not changing the quantity. Obviously, it lies in anywhere in the data. So blindly you can tell this is the one of the point like this. Whatever may be value theta it satisfies. Now, okay, can you go next topic?
Yes, sir.
Next, this topic also very, very important. Center of curvature is important. Circle of curvature is important. And avolute. Avolute means nicely we do. Come on, 1 minute. Next topic is evolute means what? The locus of the center of curvature is called evolute. This may be asked 1 mark question also. Karti. Okay. Now you see, actually, what is the locus of center of curvature means what is the meaning of locus already or done in your +1 level? Find the locus of, please how will we find out? Locus means what is the meaning of locus actually?
Path.
Very good, nice, excellent, which is a path actually. Now locus of center of curvature means what? One point you will get one center, correct? At 1 comma 1, 1 center, 1 comma 2, 1 center, 1 comma 0, 1 center, minus 11, 12 is 1 center. If you join all centers, one path you will get, that is called W. Correct or not? Locus like this only we will find out, you know. Normally we got actually x1 by actually. In plus one
Yes, sir.
are not locus of these some problems are not that parametric equation to finally we'll remove the x bar y bar with some remove the notations, maybe we'll use x1 y1 this one for all values you will tell finally, correct or not? So this is like this. Now locus of center of curvature means what? For all differences you join you will get the what is the curve that is called ability. Now we can do very good problems. Only 3 problems, 4 problems are there. Very important ones. Right? Find the equation of the ability problem of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Very important question. Find the equation of value of parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Not down, sir. Very good problem. Okay, find the ability of parabola y square is equal to 4x, but you need points. If they're not given point means what? Always you can take it for granted parametric equations. What is the parametric equation? Y square is equal to 4x means which points you can take it for granted? What is x's value? What is y value? Tell me.
80 square, comma 280.
Very good. So always take it for blindly, can take, nobody will ask. Suppose if they give ellipse means what? X square by a square plus y square by b square means what you will take point blindly.
A cos theta, B sin theta.
Very good. X square by a square minus y square by b square means is equal to 1 means x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. What trigonometric quantity if you subtract you will get 1? Tell me.
A secant theta, B tan.
A is equal to what?
A secant theta, B tan theta.
Very good. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to a square b square will cancel. Then similarly xy is equal to c square. Rectangular hyperbola. What is it? Parametric equations. xy is equal to c square. What is the parametric equation? Rectangular hyperbola already done in phonics session. X is equal to ct, y is equal to what? X is equal to ct, y is equal to if what multiplied by ct into something is equal to you have to get c square. Then y is equal to what?
One by CT.
A 1 by CT means C how it will. C square I want to get. Okay, half of correct. I want to get C square.
C by T, sir.
So now tell me, what is X? Tell me. Come on. X is equal to what?
CT.
By
C by T.
over. T will cancel, C square will come. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose root x plus root y is equal root x plus root y is equal to root a means x is equal to what we will take now? Tell me. Think and tell me. Root x plus root y is equal to root a. What you will take?
A by 4, sir.
What? A?
A by 4.
Ah. A into some trigonometry function only will get. Think and turn now. Tell me. Root x plus root y is equal to root a means what you will get? X is equal to what? I want to get root a. So a cos to the power of 4 theta y is equal to a sin to the power of 4 theta. Are you agree? Root a. So its balance is what? Root a will be there. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. Root a if we
Yes,
take.
sir.
Correct? Similarly,
Yes, sir.
this is maybe, then this is.
So, but when sir, we can take a by 4 too, sir. Why are we not taking a by 4 there?
What?
So we can take a by 4 too, sir, in the under root x plus under root y equals to under
A
root
by
a by 4.
A by 4 if you take what you get. No, parameter. See, A is a constant. You have to tell one parameter, you have to link.
Oh, okay, sir.
Fix the A value means A is fixed. But if you want to tell parameter means what here, if I give whatever may be value theta, that point should be satisfied in this curve actually. Just if you are telling particularly one value you are telling. What you are choosing
Okay,
is one value. What I choose is what? Infinite numbers I can tell from these points. Any point I can tell. We are telling particular case. I am telling general case.
Okay, sir.
Reach that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If I give theta particular value, I will reach your value.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Now if theta is equal to 60, if I give is what you are telling, that is the value. A by 4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is particular case. But I am talking general case. If I give theta, whatever may be values, it should be satisfied on the curve. That is the parametric form.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
What you said is also correct, but one point you are telling. I am asking parameter form. Parameter form is what it should be where. Whatever way it can take, that point should be lies.
Yes, sir.
Now
Okay,
you
sir.
can tell this fellow is what. This is also easy. X is equal to what? A into who will come?
Cos cube theta.
Very good. And that's it. Now you become master. Y is equal to also A.
Sin cube theta.
So like this, whatever may be, remember. Okay. Shall I remove this again? We go to the problem actually.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what problem given, sir?
Y square is equal
Parabola.
to
Sir.
Find the absolute equation of solute of parabola. Okay, done. So y square is equal to 4x means what? You are taken for granted. Values are what? 80 square comma 280. Now come on. Centers you can find out first. What is my x bar? X bar is equal to what? X minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. Y bar is equal to what? Y plus y2. Correct? Huh? Now come on. Y1 number will get, suppose x is equal to 80 square. Or if you substitute also same thing dx by dt, if you do also this also okay. How you will do? Okay, better directly we can do nothing like that. Somebody they will do x is equal to 80 square, y is equal to 280 means for dy by dt by dx by dt, dy by dx. Whatever may be same only. Nothing will happen. Okay. Directly I will do. 2y1 is equal to 4a. So y1 is equal to what? 4a by 2y. So that is equal to 2a by y. Now y1 at what value I want? 80 square come 280. So what is the y1 value?
1 by t.
1 by t.
Huh?
1 by t.
1 by
T.
2a by 80, 1 by t. Very good, sir. Now come on y2. Y2 we will do the same story. In terms of only means what? Minus 2a by y square into y1.
minus 1 by 280 cube.
0, sir.
What?
Y2 is 0, sir.
Y2 value what?
No, sir. Minus 1 by 280 cube.
Because you have multiplied by 1 by t also. Into y1 will get, you know.
Yes, sir.
First you can differentiate y2, what you will get, tell me. Y2 is equal to what? Minus 2a by
Minus.
square into y1. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Correct? Huh? Okay, I'll go for next day. Hold on. Y2 is equal to what? Minus 2a by
I square
into
y1.
y1. So minus 2a by y value is what? 80 square come 280. 280 means 480 square. Eh?
4a square t square.
4
A square t square.
a square t square into y1. Who is
1 by
y1?
t. 1 by t.
So this is equal to what?
Minus 1 by 280
280
square.
cube. Minus
cube.
1. Yes, sir.
Minus 1 by
280.
280 cube.
that's it. So everything available in my hand. Now tell me x bar formula. What is x bar? X minus. Who is my
X
x?
minus
Who is my x?
3t square.
80 square minus y1. Who is my y1?
1 by t.
1 plus y1 square by
Minus 1.
280 cube.
this minus become plus. Then simplify what you will get. Tell me. This 280 cube goes up means what? T cube cancel, t square will be balanced. 280 square balance. Correct? 80 square plus 280 square into 1 plus t square. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 80 square plus 280 square. 280 cube goes with what? T cube cancel. 1 plus 1 by t square.
Yes, sir.
After simplification again t square will go. Don't worry. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
Now come tell me what is the value? X bar is equal to
80 square.
right. Okay, come on tell me. 80 square plus
280 square
T square
plus
plus
2a.
correct? After cancelling
Yes, sir.
everything.
Yes, sir.
Simplify. If you take LCM, t square plus 1 by t square, this also can.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Plus 280 square plus 2a, sir.
2a into t square plus 1. Correct? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is equal to what? 8 square plus 2 square, 3 square. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
3 square plus 2a.
Yes, sir.
This is equal to what?
X bar.
X bar. Come on, y bar, find out. What is y bar?
So y is equal to 280.
Y is equal to minus 280 cube.
Hmm?
Minus
Y is equal to
280.
minus 280 cube.
280. Yeah.
280, sir. 80 cube.
Cube I will get. Wait. Yes, 280 cube. Correct? Can I write directly? Can I write directly or we want to make this step by step?
So you can write it directly, sir.
So is equal to what? Minus
280 cube.
now locus means what? I want to remove the parameter from this x bar, y bar. If I able to remove t means what? I will get the locus actually. Correct? Now come on, how you will remove? Now from this can I prepare x bar minus 2a by 3a is equal to t square. Can you agree?
Yes, sir.
Come on, tell me. X bar minus 2a by 3a.
Yes, sir.
Tell me value from a. X bar minus 2a by 3a. Is equal to t square as a.
Yes, sir.
Then next value is what? Y by 2a is equal to t cube, minus t cube.
Yes, sir.
Y bar minus 2a is equal to t cube. Actually, this you can take better a and b.
A minus t.
Minus, sir.
Minus. Now I want to cancel t. How you will cancel?
A by B, sir. Or B by A.
What? Tell me. T.
B by A.
Total I want to remove. There is no t. How you will do? La, 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 la. First equation raised to power 3. Second equation power raised to square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
T to power 6 and T to
Can
power
I write actually a cube is equal to b square? Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Because this will also t power 6, this will also t power 6.
Okay, sir.
These two are equal, means what? That two also equal or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Clear or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very important question. Again and again I'm telling you. So from this how I will write, sir? I am writing a is raising to 2. Then b is raising power to 2. So
Yes, sir.
implies what I will get, tell me. X bar minus 2a by 3a whole cube. X bar minus 2a by 3a whole cube is equal to y bar
Y bar by 2A whole square.
whole square. Simplify, still simplify. This what you will get. X bar minus 2a whole cube is equal to 27 a cube is equal to y bar square is equal to 4a square. This a square, this cube will cancel. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is equal to what? 4 into
Equal to 27 y bar square.
who will take A? Correct. Now if I write all,
Yes, sir.
this is particular center. For all centers satisfy means what, remove the x bar y by general x and y you can write. So locus of x bar y bar is equal to what? Locus of x bar y bar is equal to what? Everything. Good idea.
Yes, sir.
Very good problem, sir. Compulsory question.
Okay, sir.
So this is equation of evolute, right?
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we do another problem. Come on, slowly. Do next question. Find the equation of ellipse. Evolutes of ellipse x squared by a square plus y squared by b square is equal to 1. Same story. Now x is equal to what? You will take point. They are not giving point.
A cos theta, B sin theta.
Very good. Find the what? Yes, class. Up to 9:40 classes. Then finally can remove theta. Come on, start do all of you. Tell me what value you are getting. Very good problem. Similarly, x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Means absolutes over. Then we will go for envelopes. Correct, sir? Y1 is equal to minus xb square by ya square. Otherwise, dx by d theta, dy by d theta, so you can do both are same. That is better actually. Instead of doing, you can do.
You can do this problem in this way is better. You are substituting artificial compound when you come to this field. You have to find that your terms of the derivative. You have such a differentiable, you have to get it. Then you will scientific class. Then you need to multiply both are
Cot theta differentiation is what, sir?
Minus cosecant square theta.
Into what you will get?
D theta by dx.
Very good. That is important. Into our dx by d theta is what?
Minus a sin theta.
Yeah, reciprocal means what? 1 by a sin theta. That is again cosecant theta. So b minus b by a is 1 by a sin theta. So this is equal to what? Minus b by a square cosecant cube theta. Are you agree? Correct or not? No minus, I think so. Plus
Plus.
b by a square cosecant cube. Are you agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Y1 is equal to minus b by a cot theta. This is cosecant cube theta. Now come on, slowly can do. I think frames like 2 can go. X bar is equal to x minus. Who is x actually? A cos theta. Huh? Minus. Y1 is what? Cot theta. Huh?
B by A cot.
Minus b by a cot theta.
One plus y1 square also again b square by a square cot square theta by y2 is what? B by a cube.
B by A cosecant cube theta.
b by a square.
A square or a cube? Huh?
A square.
A square.
Square, sir.
Then this everything cos and sin you can change better. Because I want to get in terms of cos and sin, you can simplify. First, this part you can simplify.
This is entirely I'm telling you, I'm giving you and one is what is wrong. What is second one means? A whole that's right, that's right.
That's what I could want.
One is wrong. You have to find that. So already solve this problem. Either you can find the dx.
Simplified, sir. What you got?
D square by dx square.
A cos theta
Hmm.
plus A cube sin square theta cos theta.
Everything in terms of cos sign you can change.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Plus AB square cos cube theta.
Common you can take. From this cos theta you can take common. Again, that cos square you can write 1 minus sin square. I will write down this. Don't worry. This part, if you write what you get, this cosecant cube is square means what? Sine cube. So here minus, here no minus, you know. Y2 is minus value, plus value.
No
Y2
minus, sir.
minus value, Y2 also minus value.
No, sir.
Huh?
Y2 is positive, sir.
dt by dx is equal to what? Minus, you know, there one minus will get. dt by dx one minus is there, you know. Minus a sin theta. Correct? Huh? dx by dt minus a sin theta, that we forget, so one minus you will get. So minus b by a square cosecant cube theta. Y2. Correct? Huh? So this become, how many minuses are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 minus is again minus.
Suppose instead of
A cos theta minus b by a cot theta. This cosecant cube theta also I am writing. Sin cube theta. 1 plus cos square theta plus sin square theta. Correct? Huh? Then simplify what you get. A cos theta minus b by a. This is cos by sin means what? Sin square will be balance.
Cos sin square theta cos theta.
Cos theta sin square theta. If you take LCM means what?
A square sin square theta
Plus
plus B square cos square theta.
by
A square sin square theta.
a square sin square theta. This cancel. Okay, yeah. Any doubt? Hmm? Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is correct. And is something missing. B by a square. Minus b by a square. I think so.
Sir, why didn't you cancel B?
B I am not cancel. Sorry, I am not written actually. No. Something we are missing.
So you can cancel that B in the numerator with that B in the
This sin
denominator.
cube I written, but denominator b by a square I forgotten. This a square okay. This a square is this a square. This a square sin square theta a square okay. Okay. Yeah. Wait. Give me time. Then whole divided by minus b by a square is there. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Whole divided by a square is there. Then b cancel, a cancel, means a is there. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Then here only a square. Wait. A. This a will cancel. This a square will be there. So No, no, no. Wrong.
This is whole divided by, sir.
B also cancel, I think so. B by A means B cancel A. A is there, A also cancel. Then A sin theta. A sin square theta, sin square theta. A will be there. But
Yes, sir.
Yes,
down
sir.
there will be A. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Then what you will get? Tell me full information. Oh, 20 slides over. If you want to start with. Okay, that you can simplify. Then I'll stop here. Don't worry. I will do later next class. Then you can do if you want, you can do something. You will get cos theta is equal to something. Then sin theta is equal to something. Then square and add, you will get the equation. Otherwise, I will do again from the beginning. Don't worry. This problem. Then I'll stop here.
Okay, sir.
Now, what is the first number?
17, 217.
2.
17.
Wait. 8. 17 present, sir. 217.
Present, sir.
18. 19.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
20.
Present, sir.
18, tell me, okay. 19. Okay, sir.
19 present, sir.
20. Okay. 20.
Present, sir.
21.
Present, sir.
22. 23.
Present, sir.
24.
Sir, 24 was present in the first hour. He asked me to tell you.
Okay. 25.
Present, sir.
26.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
28.
Present, sir.
29. 30.
30 present, sir.
31.
Present, sir.
32.
Present, sir.
33. 34.
Present, sir.
35.
Present, sir.
36.
Present, sir.
37.
Present, sir.
38.
Present, sir.
39.
Present, sir.
40.
Present, sir.
41.
Present, sir.
42.
Sir, she is present, but she is having network issues, so she asked me to tell you.
What is your number?
Sir, my number is 50.
I will put option. Okay, what is that number? 40?
42.
43?
Present, sir.
44?
Present, sir.
45?
Present, sir.
46? 47?
Present, sir.
48?
Present, sir.
49?
Present, sir.
50?
Present, sir.
51? 52?
Present, sir.
53?
Present, sir.
54?
Present, sir.
55?
Present, sir.
56?
Present, sir.
57? 58?
Present, sir.
59?
Present, sir.
60?
Present, sir.
61?
Present, sir.
62?
Present, sir.
63?
Present, sir.
64?
Present, sir.
65?
Present, sir.
66?
Present, sir.
67? 68?
Present, sir.
69?
Present, sir. Present, sir.
70?
Present, sir.
71?
Present, sir.
72?
Present, sir.
73?
Present, sir.
74?
Present, sir.
75?
Present, sir.
76?
Present, sir.
77?
Present, sir.
78?
Present, sir.
79?
Present, sir.
80?
Present, sir.
81?
Present, sir.
82,
Present.
83,
Present, sir.
84,
Present, sir.
85,
Present, sir.
86,
Present, sir.
87,
Present, sir.
88,
Present, sir.
89. 89 is last number, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
His
sir.
name is also removed from the name list.
Okay. Then
Okay,
80,
yes, sir.
8 is last number.
Yes, sir.
Then options are 29, 33, 46, 51, 57, 59. Hmm?
Sir, 57 present, sir.
50?
7.
Okay. And 29, 33, 46, 51 is present. Okay, bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Have a good day, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.